For this problem, it's a little bit more tricky with the u in this case. If you put the u and try and let u equal square root of x, you kind of run into a problem because it's not going to cancel the x down below because you're still going to have a 1/2 power difference. So in this problem, what you actually want to do is let u equal the natural log. So I'm going to let u equal the entire thing, natural log of square root of x. Now to make this easier to integrate, I'm going to do a couple things to it. First of all, I can write that as x to the 1/2. And then I'm going to use the log property to move that out front like this. That way it'll make that a lot easier to take the derivative, because now I just turn this into a 1/x when I take the derivative. So du is going to equal 1/2x dx right there, because this one, that's just 1/x. So next I have du here. Now I want to solve for dx, and you do that by multiplying both sides by 2x. So dx is going to equal 2x du right there. Now we're ready to put it into the original one. Now u is the entire top, so I have u over x, and then the dx is 2x du like that. So by doing that step right there, I can eliminate the x's. The 2 is going to come on the outside, and I have this left over. I have 2 integral of u du. I'm going to now integrate this. I get 2 times u squared over 2, and I get u squared at the end once I integrate it. But now I have to put in the 1 and the e back in there, so, and also put the u back in for that. So I have, in this case, I'm going to write out in this form 1/2 ln x squared, and that's from 1 to e. So this is the formula that I'm going to work with here. That was the u after I applied the log property for it. To do this, you put the e in there, and then you put the 1 in there, and you're squaring that for each one. So here's what it'll look like. You're going to do 1/2 ln e squared minus 1/2 ln 1 squared. So now we're going to simplify this a little bit more. Ln of e is 1, so I just get 1/2 times 1 squared. So I'll show the 1 in that case. That's ln of e is the 1 right there. Minus 1/2. But ln of 1, that is 0 for each of those. So this one, when you square that, you're going to get 1/4. Now this whole thing's going to be a 0, so we just get minus 0, which means that your final answer for this is going to be 1/4.